I just remembered something. I think I left the faucet running. Mama, what's it feeling? Huffing up. Crazy over you.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So this video is in connection to my eyelashes. Today is my off day and I am with Ate M. We're gonna cut our hair. Only cut and color, of course, since this blondie hair is fading. I mean, this is not blondie, it's a, what the hell? It's a highlight and I don't like how it looks now. It's kind of like fading. So I just want to get a, guess what color? I just want to get a black color and gonna cut it until here. Okay, joke lang. So, siya, magpapagupit rin siya ng kanyang buhok. Since mukha na siyang dugyot. Pareho na kami mukhang dugyot. So, we decided to pamper ourselves today since this is our off day, and yeah, we're now on the way to haircuttery. We didn't make an appointment. Can we just walk in there? I think so, yeah, right? I think so. Or nervous?
No feelings at all.
Black is my natural hair color. Siguro parang wala na rin pagbabago once I get the black hair. But I just wanna look natural. Like, no hint of blondies in my hair. So, eto na talaga, on the way na talaga kami to our destination. So, we are finally here inside the haircuttery, and as you guys notice, wala masyadong tao and we can just walk in and no appointments needed. I remember I have a picture here like 3 years ago. Nung first haircut ko rin, dito ko siya pinaputol sa haircutter. And this is me right now with a long, super long hair, and this is my back. Really needs some change. And this is my sister's before video look. Yes, tawa lang sis. Ang tinitingin-tingin niyo dyan, ha? Oh my God! Pinutol niya na agad yung buhok ko. OMG! I feel so broken-hearted right now. Ang OA, kahit konti lang yung pinutol na buhok sa akin. Ayan yung worst. Broken-hearted is real. Ako konti lang naman yung kinat sa akin. Pero papakulay pa ako nun. Oh my God. Parang feeling ko ikli ng buhok ko.
Boy, you say you wanted
So,
a
I'm finally
short.
done with the coloring. And Ate is done with haircut. Look at her.
That's fine.
My
If
OMG.
you want the same length,
Mukha akong basang sisi right now. So, he just finished shampooing my hair. Unexpectedly, nandito si Kuya Randy.
Sino yan?
look at that.
It's a video. Papa Pogi. Yan. Finally,
Nakatapos ng tulog yung trabaho ko.
finally, black na ulit ang ating buhok.
Nagpa-vlog ka?
Yeah. Yeah, that's my phone. Oops, let me just get this.
Oh. Sorry.
It's okay. No, it's okay. I have it. Thank you. So, this is my sister's after look. Sige, tapa pa more. Ikaw na yung cute. Pogi! Isa ka pa, Kuya Randy. So, guys, we're finally done with our haircut of the day. Yan, nagpagupit ako. Mga 2 inches. I think so. 2.5, something like that. And her, the greatest battle. Sobrang ikli na lang hair niya. Sobra. How was your experience in hair cutter? This is my second one, and it's the worst, I think. Hindi naman worst yung outcome ng ano. Ito talaga yung gusto kong outcome. Super black. And super ganda rin. Kaso nga lang, yung hairstylist ko, napakadaldal. And she always points out all the flaws that you have. Especially my dry hair. She always tell me,
Oh, your hair is so dry. You need to buy this kind of shampoo, blah, blah, blah.
and there's also one customer there that she handled. And she also,
Oh, what is this in your hair? A lot of dandruff.
something like that. So, it's kind of
Annoying.
turned me off, and it's really annoying, you know. All in all naman, 5 star lahat.
Open mo na
4.5 star sa outcome ng aking hair, and sa kanya, paano yan? Para sa'yo, ilang ano ba? Maganda ba?
Yeah. For me, it's
Na-achieve
perfect.
mo ba?
Yeah.
So, na-achieve niya rin yung haircut na gusto niya. So, we're now heading to the grocery. Kasi alam mo na, bibili tayo ng panghanda natin. And, pala, saan pa tayo pupunta? Magdilibot-libot muna kami since we have all the time today. So, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm gonna end this now. And I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Bye! Mwah.
All these damn brothers look like New Year's. Poppin' champagne.
That moment when someone is watching you outside,